Hi everyone, my name is Sunil. I'm your English trainer. Again, I have brought one of the important things for you where you can speak English nicely and you will not run short of words. Whenever we try to describe anything, whenever we try to describe any noun or pronoun, that point of time we always run short of words and we do not get the precise word that how we can describe things. You don't need to worry about that. I'm here with you. I'm your trainer. So today I have chosen 30 important adjectives which we use on our daily basis, and they are very important too. If you use them, your English is going to be so easy. People will understand, and that's how you can make your speaking riveting. Okay, without taking too much time, let's start it. This word might look a bit scary, but you don't need to be afraid of it. This word is pronounced as pugnacious. If you use this word, it will sound amazing, and whosoever is going to listen to you, they'll be really impressed. This is what we need to do. We need to impress people. Again, I'm telling you, this is pronounced as pugnacious. People, those who play PUBG, how they are? They are quarrelsome. One who fights a lot. One who is always ready to pick a fight. Example is that my neighbors are pugnacious. I also want to tell you one thing, that whenever we use adjectives, adjectives are always used to describe the quality of a noun or a pronoun. When we use adjectives, it make our speaking so beautiful. I also want to add one more thing here. If you use adjectives in a sentence, if it does not take any noun at the end, so what you need to do is you don't need to use articles there. You have to use them directly. The next one is, again, it might look a bit tricky, but it is magnanimous. Magnanimous. It means polite and kind. Those who are so grounded, there you can use it. I am magnanimous. Hapless. Someone who is unlucky. The example is that some people are hapless. If I talk about myself, I always consider myself I am hapless. What about you? The next one is conscientious. You need to know the right pronunciation too. Conscientious. It means very careful. I guess we need this word all the time. Whatever we do, we need to be conscientious. Again, another example is that we need to be conscientious for what we do. Shattered. Shattered means very shocked. I have chosen the example. Everyone was shattered to know about death of Irfan Khan. Next one is nonchalant. You know this before? Okay, if not, so I am here to tell you. It means careless. I'm a nonchalant boy, and there are some nonchalant drivers too. Next one is hard up. Hard up means not to have much money or not to have enough money. Let's understand this by the example. These days I'm hard up. Are you also hard up? You might be hard up if you are out of work or if you do not earn. That point of time you might fall in this category. Next one is spirited. Spirited. It means energetic. My father is spirited. The next one is adorable. This is one of my personal favorite words. Adorable means lovable. When you like something very much, there you can say it. The example is that the baby girl is adorable, and it can be used for any situation, for anything. If you look at any building where you find it so attractive, there you can say it is adorable. Any car, you can say it is adorable. Next one is elated. Stop using very happy. You can say I'm elated or we are elated to learn English. Crafty means very clever. You must not say she is very clever, they are very clever. Stop saying very clever. You must use crafty. She is crafty. Next one is bashful. Means very shy. Again, you know that you don't need to use very shy. You must say bashful. The example is that my brother is bashful. And this one is dumbfounded. Dumbfounded means very surprised. The example is that she is dumbfounded to see her result. I am dumbfounded that I have completed 1K subscribers. Thank you for that. Placid. Placid means very quiet. I need a placid environment to study. And I also make sure whenever I sleep, my room is placid too. Like that, you can use it. The next one is scruffy. Scruffy means very dirty. My room is always scruffy. It is because my mother is not around. When my mother is not there, my room is always scruffy. But when my mother is present, so I use this word. It is opposite of scruffy. it sounds like immaculate. Immaculate. Very clean. My street is immaculate and my hair is immaculate. I have washed my hair. The next one is indispensable. Indispensable. It means very important. The example is English is indispensable. How would you pronounce this one? I want you to pronounce. Okay, give it a try. Okay, no problem. This is pronounced as intuitive. It sounds like Twitter. Intuitive. It means to know secrets without being told. Sometimes it happens. When you are with your parents, when you are with your siblings, or when you are with your elder brothers or sisters, that point of time they sense you. They have a sense of proportion that what's going on there. They can use this word for themselves. I also use this word for myself. I'm intuitive. Next one is bemused. Stop saying very confused. You must say bemused. People are bemused about grammar rules. Yes, it's true. Next one is lenient. You must have heard of this word. Sometimes we use it for our boss. We use it for our parents. Sometimes we also use it for our teachers. Not very strict. My boss is lenient. Apparent. It means very easy to notice or very clear to understand. It is apparent to know when to stop. It is apparent that you all are working very hard. Frigid. Very cold. And you know the condition of the weather in Delhi? The weather is frigid in Delhi. Weather is always frigid in Kashmir. Next one is fatigued. Fatigued means very tired. You must not use fatigued all the time. You can use this example. I am fatigued today. Or you can use this word wherever you feel you are very tired. This one is voluble. Means very talkative. Someone who talks a lot. That person falls in this category called voluble. I don't like voluble students. Next one is diligent. Diligent means very hardworking. I also want to clear one thing, that this word is always pronounced as hardworking. There isn't any word called hard worker. We often say that he is hard worker, she is hard worker. There is no word called hard worker. So you must use hardworking. Example is that every student is diligent. Next one is reticent. Means not to talk very much or quiet. Someone who does not like to talk unnecessarily or does not like to talk very much. There you can say reticent. The example is that I am reticent. The next one is terrified. Terrified means very scared. You should not be terrified in any situations. The example is that I am terrified in dark. Intrepid means fearless. Someone who is always ready to do adventurous things and someone who is open to do things. Soldiers are intrepid. Last but not the least, mediocre. It means average. I was always a mediocre student. Still, I consider myself I am a mediocre student. If you are a mediocre student, you get a lot of opportunities to learn. I hope you have also learned something from this video. If yes, please subscribe to this channel. If you are again new to this channel, so you must subscribe to my channel so that you can get more interesting videos